It took me years to realize that this was true for me too. In fact, I just realized this last night, as I said. So I took a pen and a paper and wrote down the title of this video. Alright, I am not one of these big gurus on the internet talking about money. I'm not Stephen Graham, Hamza Ahmed or Iman Gaji. I am Alex Toma, I am from Romania. I am a digital marketer indeed, but I'm not yet making $10,000 a month. And at the time of me recording this video, I only have 343 people who subscribed on my channel, and my videos are not highly edited to try and keep you watching either. Now, if you want to click off after I told you all this, I understand. However, if you're still here, I highly and truly believe that after I tell you what the secret to making $10,000 a month is, you will not be able to go back to the previous you. It sounds dramatic, but bear with me here because you will see everything from this perspective. You will see movies and music with different eyes. You will see artists, famous athletes and companies. You will even see differently your favorite content creator on YouTube when they ask you to like or comment on a video of them. I think there will be no coming back for you, and it took me years to realize this. And I'm not a newbie in the world of business and digital marketing. I have a bachelor degree in innovation and entrepreneurship. I have my marketing agency since 2020, and I have been selling online since 2017. But shame on me because I only truly realized and accepted what this secret was yesterday night. So I took a pen and a paper and wrote down the title of this video because I think this will help both you and me to get to 10k per month. Actually, well beyond that. And the number one secret has always been in front of our eyes all of this time, sitting there in plain sight. And all of your favorite artists, stars and athletes have been making use of this secret ever since you probably heard of them. And that, my friend, is attention. I'm gonna let that sink in for a moment because even though I am a marketer, and the irony is that my day-to-day job is to attract attention, it took me years to realize that this was true for me too. In fact, I just realized this last night, as I said. And as a marketer, I'm embarrassed to admit this, but it is what it is. Attention. Think about it. Let that sink in for a moment. If you were a famous actor, a football player or soccer player playing in the Premier League, or a famous NBA player, and you could even be retired, by the way, just your presence, your face would generate attention. Don't you believe that, for example, if you had 1 million subscribers on YouTube, you would be able to generate enough attention to be making $10,000 a month? If one video of yours gets 100,000 views, isn't that attention? Companies will pay you to mention their product or service in your videos, for example, just as companies pay to run an ad during a movie that runs on HBO. The more attention you can generate, the more money you can make. And this is why a 30-second ad that runs during the Super Bowl costs millions of dollars, because the whole nation is watching. And I realized this thinking of how I could serve more people with what I do and grow my business at the same time. I just need more eyeballs on my business. I need more potential customers to know about my agency and to know what we can do for them. My business needs more attention for that to happen. Look, you can be the best in the world at whatever, if no one knows about you, it almost doesn't matter. In fact, you don't even need to be extremely smart or good at something to generate enough attention to make $10,000 a month. And in many cases, you just need to be willing to compromise, and it depends much on how far you're willing to go. Look at these TikTok influencers putting out content a 5-year-old could put out. You don't even need to talk. I personally don't appreciate that kind of attention, and I wouldn't do it for whatever amount of money, but rest assured that they do make $10,000 a month from it and even more. Once you are able to generate enough attention, you become an asset for others. People will directly and indirectly pay you to associate with you. And I'm not going to get into the ways of generating attention in this video, but remember this: attention is scarce and expensive. Everyone is fighting for attention. Everyone is fighting for your attention too. Just think about how many ads you saw yesterday. On Facebook, Google, YouTube, billboards, a banner in a bus or metro. Someone is paying for those. Attention is the best thing you could trade for money. You want to make $10,000 a month? And even more than that, get attention and then sell it. I'm out and see you in the next video.